Samsung has made the Galaxy S20 devices official a couple of days ago. Samsung is betting big time on the camera performance this time, and if you've tuned into the Unpacked event or if you watch Samsung's official videos, all you hear is about how great the camera is. But the Galaxy S20 series also have another key defining feature, and it's the 120Hz screen refresh rate. For the noobs, 99% of the phones sold today have 60Hz display. 120Hz will make everything appear smoother, games and some of the apps will benefit a lot from a higher refresh rate. So it's great that Samsung is offering 120Hz panel on their latest flagships, but there's a catch. It only works at 1080p resolution and not at QHD+. If you turn the setting to QHD+, then it turns to 60Hz. A lot of us expected Samsung would talk about it at the Unpacked event, but they didn't. Thankfully, though, we're now hearing reasons why they limited the experience to just full HD+. Well, there are a couple of reasons. The first one is power consumption. 120Hz at QHD+ consumes a lot of battery juice than it does at full HD+. But the thing is, Samsung could have just added the option and give a warning whenever someone enables 120Hz at QHD+. A lot of people cannot differentiate between Full HD and Quad HD, but at the same time, a lot of people can. So a choice is what we are asking after paying ridiculous money for these handsets, and not a ridiculous excuse. The second reason is it consumes a lot of RAM and slows down the phone. Are they even serious, though? I mean, one of these phones have 16 GB of RAM. What's the point of having so much of RAM if you're giving such silly excuses? The iPad Pro has 4 GB RAM and can run 120Hz at near 3K absolutely fine, so Samsung's excuses are ridiculous, to say the least. Anyway, since it's a software lock, there is a possibility that they could enable this feature with a future firmware update. I hope it happens. I mean, just don't enable it by default, but give an option for hardcore users to experience this tech at higher resolutions. The Galaxy S20 Ultra supports 45-watt fast charging, the same as the Note 10 Plus, but it looks like the charging speed on the Ultra is faster than the Note 10 Plus, even with a bigger battery. According to ICE, the S20 Ultra takes around 58 minutes to full charge, while the Note 10 Plus takes around 1 hour 5 minutes. It's impressive considering the battery sizes of these two handsets. I mean, the Ultra has 5,000 while the Note 10 Plus has 4,300 mAh. I've already pre-ordered the Ultra, so once I have the phone I'll check this to be sure. So it looks like Samsung's second foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Z Flip, is selling like hotcakes. It's already sold out in the United States. Same story in Samsung's homeland South Korea as well. In fact, some retailers are reporting that it sold out in just under 30 minutes. Samsung is expecting to sell 2.5 million units of these handsets, and considering the price tag and the response it's getting from the media as well as the average consumers, it shouldn't be hard for them to actually achieve it. With that being said, let me know what do you think about this down in the comments. Subscribe now and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.